Today, we are truly privileged to have amidst us industry captains who have long-standing partnerships with Odisha and have remained committed to the state's industrial growth. Let's hear what they have to share about Odisha's growth story.
सूर्य का उदय पूरब से होता है, वैसे ही विकसित भारत का उदय उड़ीसा से होगा.
Inspired by the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Viksit Bharat, Odisha is ushering in a new dimension of socio-economic progress under the leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister Shri Maji.
This concept, where state and central governments are working in tandem, can only further accelerate progress of Odisha and bring major investment in the state.
The state served as an ideal hub for the big businesses, right from the logistic perspective to the seamless connectivity for the eastern and southern regions.
Odisha is a land of limitless opportunities with its rich natural resources, skilled workforce, and investor-friendly policies.
Odisha offers unparalleled opportunities for businesses under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Mohan Charan Maji. Our investment in the state are a testament to the state's conducive environment for growth and its commitment to progress.
Tata Steel's relationship with Odisha goes back over 100 years. Even over the last 10 years, Tata Steel has spent something like $10 billion of investments in Odisha.
We have invested more than 54,000 crores in the state. Further, we have plans to invest another 80,000 crores in upcoming projects including PXPTA and dual feed naphtha cracker that will propel the petchem growth in the region.
उड़ीसा जो कि भगवान का दिया हुआ सारे नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज वाला एक प्रदेश है जिसके अंदर स्टील, एल्युमिनियम और एनर्जी उसकी भरपूर मात्रा में कैपेसिटी आगे आने वाले समय में लगने वाली है.
मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि यहाँ की सरकार, यहाँ का वातावरण बहुत अनुकूल है इंडस्ट्री लगाने के लिए.
Odisha isn't just a destination for investment. It's a partner in your growth. Odisha is not just ready for the future. It is building it.
मैं अपने एंटरप्रेन्योर, स्टार्टअप, बड़ी इंडस्ट्री वाले, फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट, एफडीआई वालों सबको अपना अनुभव बता रहा हूँ कि उड़ीसा राज्य एक ऐसा राज्य है जो टेक्नोलॉजी के क्षेत्र में, इंडस्ट्री लगाने के क्षेत्र में, कंजम्पशन के क्षेत्र में सबसे आगे है. आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत. जय जगन्नाथ.
Thank you to all our industry captains for your encouraging words. Ladies and gentlemen, our industry captains have reiterated that we are truly Utkarsh Odisha, a state whose strength lies in its natural resources, in its industrial infrastructure, progressive policy framework, ease of doing business initiative, and its vision to become a sustainable and inclusive growth leader. We have a special video presentation on Utkarsh Odisha, Make in Odisha Conclave 2025, which showcases these strengths. Let's take a look at it.
The wheel of transformation set in a divine motion. From Adikal to Amritkal, blending the pace of heritage and progress, guided by the pure spirit of Lord Jagannath. It's the wheel that shaped industrial convergence with the endless potential of this fabled land. Odisha, the rising sun of India. land rich with a melange of culture, tribes, and artistic brilliance. Where the wheel of progress turns, making every opportunity come alive with innovation. Today, Odisha stands tall as the industrial powerhouse of eastern India. Leading from the front, the double-engine government of Odisha is committed to build a progressive future. Under the guidance of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, the land of Odisha is paving the way for Utkarsh.
महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ जी की कृपा से उड़ीसा देश की विकास यात्रा के ग्रोथ इंजन पैकी एक होगा कि उड़ीसा की गिनती देश के सशक्त, समृद्ध और तेजी से आगे बढ़ने वाले राज्यों में हो.
Propelled by the able leadership of Chief Minister Shri Mohan Charan Majhi.
Our aim is fast becoming an industrial powerhouse. My government is focused on building robust industrial infrastructure.
The grand gateway to ASEAN markets, a strategic hub for global trade opportunities. Ranked among the top states for ease of doing business, with single window platform and supportive government schemes and incentives. Today, Odisha's world-class infrastructure is growing with smart cities, industrial corridors, and business breeding ports, shaping the genesis of a bold new India. With rising investments in IT, tourism, pharmaceuticals, green energy initiatives, and many more. Preparing a future-ready workforce for the demands of tomorrow. In Odisha, businesses don't just grow, they gain momentum. Come, witness the biggest launchpad for business on the eastern coast of India. And let's together make Odisha Vikasit. Let's make it happen. Make it grow to make it big. Make it Utkarsh. Utkarsh Odisha. Make in Odisha Conclave 2025. Sunrise of investment excellence. Invest in Odisha. Invest in future.